Tesla Model S Park Assist uses ultrasonic sensors to detect obstacles during parking. Failures commonly stem from sensor errors, calibration issues, or dirt buildup. This video will guide you through troubleshooting and fixing these problems to restore Park Assist functionality. Sensor errors in Tesla Model S Park Assist typically appear as Park Assist unavailable messages on the dashboard or false alerts that detect obstacles when none exist. These errors are commonly caused by electrical faults in the sensor wiring, water damage from driving in wet conditions, or manufacturing defects in the ultrasonic sensors themselves. Recent Tesla software updates have added diagnostic tools that allow owners to check sensor health directly through the vehicle's touchscreen or the Tesla mobile app. If sensor errors continue after using the diagnostic tools, professional service at a Tesla service center may be necessary to perform proper repairs or sensor replacements. Calibration issues in Tesla Model S Park Assist typically occur after minor impacts on the bumpers, adjustments during repairs, or even routine tire rotations. These actions can misalign the ultrasonic sensors mounted on the front and rear bumpers. Calibration involves resetting the sensor positions through Tesla's diagnostic software. This process requires accessing the vehicle's service mode, which can be done via the touchscreen or through a technician's toolkit. The software recalibrates the 12 ultrasonic sensors to ensure accurate obstacle detection. While some owners attempt DIY calibration using forum instructions, professional calibration at a Tesla service center is strongly recommended. Incorrect calibration can lead to further sensor errors, safety issues, or even void your warranty. Professional technicians use official diagnostic tools to ensure proper alignment. Dirt, mud, snow, or ice buildup on the sensors can block ultrasonic waves, leading to false readings and Park Assist errors. To clean the sensors safely, you'll need a soft cloth and mild soapy water. Never use abrasive materials that could scratch the sensors. First, locate the ultrasonic sensors. They are typically mounted on the front and rear bumpers of your Tesla Model S. Prepare a gentle cleaning solution by mixing a small amount of mild soap with water. Dip the soft cloth in the solution and gently wipe each sensor. Be careful not to press too hard to avoid damage. Let the sensors air dry completely. Then test the Park Assist system by attempting to park in a safe, open area. Regular sensor cleaning, especially during winter months, can significantly improve the reliability of your Tesla Model S Park Assist system. Tesla's mobile app provides basic troubleshooting capabilities for the Park Assist system. Start by opening the Tesla app on your smartphone. Navigate through the app menus by selecting Controls, then Service. From there, choose Park Assist Calibration to access the troubleshooting options. This section allows you to check the current sensor status and perform basic calibration checks. However, for deeper diagnostics like full sensor resets or identifying complex hardware issues, professional tools used by Tesla technicians are often required. Remember that DIY troubleshooting methods can carry risks if performed incorrectly, potentially voiding your warranty or causing safety issues. Always consider professional service for comprehensive Park Assist system maintenance. In a Florida case, a Model S owner encountered sensor-blocked errors following heavy rain. After unsuccessful DIY cleaning attempts with compressed air, they visited a Tesla service center where technicians calibrated the sensors professionally in just 30 minutes, leading to a 20% improvement in system responsiveness. During Tesla's 2025 sensor recall, a Canadian owner of a 2018 Model S P100D experienced complete Park Assist failure. They received free sensor replacements and a software update that added predictive maintenance alerts. Post-recall surveys showed 95% of affected owners reporting restored functionality. In a cautionary tale from Reddit, a user attempted to clean their sensors with a wire brush, causing permanent scratches and voiding their warranty. Tesla denied coverage, highlighting the need for gentle cleaning methods and professional intervention when needed. These real-world examples demonstrate that while cleaning can often resolve issues, professional calibration is crucial for complex problems. Learning from these experiences can help avoid costly mistakes and ensure your park assist system works reliably. Tesla is increasingly moving towards software-driven fixes and integrating more radar and camera-based systems for their vehicles. Recent over-the-air updates have added AI-enhanced sensor mapping that automatically adjusts for minor misalignments, reducing the need for manual calibration. Looking ahead, Tesla is shifting to vision-based systems that rely primarily on cameras and radar rather than ultrasonic sensors. This transition aims to improve accuracy and reduce maintenance needs, as cameras and radar are less susceptible to environmental factors like dirt or weather. By 2030, experts predict full integration with Tesla's vision-only autopilot, potentially phasing out ultrasonic sensors entirely in new vehicles. However, legacy Model S owners might need retrofits to benefit from these advancements, ensuring their vehicles remain compatible with future Tesla features. Experts recommend annual professional checks for your Tesla Model S Park Assist system, particularly important in winter climates where harsh conditions can affect sensor performance. Proactive maintenance includes regular cleaning of ultrasonic sensors and installing software updates to prevent sensor-related incidents. While DIY cleaning is feasible for basic maintenance, calibration often requires professional intervention to avoid worsening issues and ensure the system operates safely. According to experts, sensor failures account for 15 to 20% of service visits, with 80% resolvable through calibration. A survey found 28% of owners reported park assist errors annually. By following these recommendations, you can maintain your park assist system's reliability and safety for effective parking assistance.